Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Style with Carol. If you like decorating videos and style videos, please be sure to subscribe and be a part of my YouTube family. So we are getting ready for Thanksgiving, and it's going to be a very quick setup. If you are one of those people that are looking for last minute Thanksgiving tablescape ideas, stay tuned because this is simple and very easy for you to recreate at home. Select items that you have a pair of. For example, I have a pair of these cones. I use the inside of these cones to put pumpkins, acorns, and all of the fall-y items that bring fall out to me. And then I've also used this garland, which had a few acorns on it itself. And then this fairy pumpkin, very cute little pumpkin, and it already came with the fairy lights inside, and these candle stands that I DIY'd, all using Dollar Tree items. I've placed my golden chargers, white regular plates, and a clear bowl just to give different layers of material, just to show you that you don't always have to go matchy-matchy. It's perfectly fine to mismatch different items that you have in your dinnerware that you want to utilize to just, get out and use. That's exactly what I've done. We are now placing a wreath in the center, and then we're going to decorate it to make it a little bit more fall festive. These glittery acorns make great fillers. I've used them so many places around the house, and I just can't get enough. All of my items are budget friendly because I wanted to show you all that you don't have to spend a fortune to get a catalog look. These also from Dollar Tree. I just put them on my two stands that you see in the back. The first sign says, "This is my happy place." Thought it would be ideal next to the little house you see that's from Target. Once I center that, I'm going to put the other sign, which says "Together is our favorite place to be." Thought it was very cute and simple, kind of ties the room together because Thanksgiving, I love different sayings that make you feel very thankful and grateful. We are now going back to the wreath, and we're gonna basically add these Dollar Tree flowers to make it a little bit more fall. Now, I did not make this permanent because I wanted to use these for other places as well, and I didn't want to cut the stem off. But if it would make a huge difference if you did cut the stem off, and if you decide to hot glue it, it would stay much more in place. And now I'm adding a little bit more flowers. As you can see, I just simply tucked it in the wreath, and I was trying to be very careful, trying not to mess it up or have it fall, but I think it worked out. I just wanted a hint of fall on the wreath. Candles create a very warm ambiance, so we're gonna add the candles and light it so you all can see the final look. And I'm very happy with how it turned out. The simplicity of it, and the fact that you can get this set up right away within 5 minutes, have it set right before people are coming for you to entertain in the house. It's just a very great, simple, creative way to just reuse what you've had, and hopefully inspired you to, not necessarily buying new things, but you could recreate this DIY candle, for example, or just use things in the house. And then for these side headpieces, I just added a cute little pumpkin. If you had more pumpkins, you could add it for all of them. And this is how the dining room shelves look. Great to use pieces like this to transition to a different season. Thank you for watching. Now go get decorating. Don't forget to like and share, my friends. Have a blessed day. Until next time.